It's Friday, and you've almost survived another crazy week in AI. Let's get into today's news. The new Shopify AI Toolkit connects your AI agent directly to the Shopify platform. You can build apps using Shopify's documentation, API schemas, and code validation, and manage your store through the CLI's capabilities. For Claude Code users, it's 2 commands to install via the plugin marketplace, and it auto-updates. This is Shopify going all in on the agentic storefront. Instead of clicking through dashboards, you tell your AI agent what you want and it does it. Inventory updates, app builds, store management, all through natural language. Shopify isn't building their own AI, they're making their platform work with everyone else's. Gridlands is a co-op extraction shooter where you drop in, loot, and fight your way out. What makes this remarkable isn't the gameplay concept, it's the tech stack. 3.js is typically used for web-based 3D visualizations, not full-blown multiplayer shooters. The team says iteration speed is the big advantage. This is one of the first serious 3D indie games built entirely with 3.js, and it's heading to Steam. If it performs well, it could open the door for a whole new wave of vibe-coded game development. Do all the people that dismissed this vibe-coded approach need to think again? Anthropic have unveiled Claude for Microsoft Word. This is huge for enterprise workflows. Tracked changes are the backbone of how legal teams, editors, and corporate writers collaborate. Having AI edits show up in the same red-line workflow that everyone already uses means no extra steps. Just review and accept like you would with any human collaborator. It's available in beta now on Team and Enterprise plans. This follows on from the earlier Claude in Excel and Claude in PowerPoint. With the addition of Word, the 3 biggest components of the MS Office suite are covered, and the push for enterprise adoption takes another big step forward. Erdos problems are among the most famous unsolved questions in mathematics, posed by the legendary Paul Erdos over decades. Earlier this year, GPT 5.2 Pro cracked 3 of them in a single week. Terence Tao personally verified the proofs, confirming they were original, not just rediscoveries of existing literature. And now 5 more have fallen. Spud, OpenAI's next major model, finished pre-training in late March. Whether this is related to the new mathematical reasoning capabilities is not clear. It would certainly be a great way to challenge a new model.